Hello, English Go-Getter. Can you get 15 out of 15 in this quiz? Question 1. The correct answer is letter A, turkey. Question 2. The correct answer is letter B, mashed potatoes. Question 3. True. This brown sauce is called gravy. Question 4. False. This is a pumpkin pie. Question 5. The correct answer is letter C, cranberry sauce. Question 6. The correct answer is letter C, pumpkin pie. Question 7. This is true. Question 8. The correct answer is letter B, sweet potato. Question 9. It's false. The dish is called green bean casserole. Question 10. The correct answer is letter A, cornbread. Question 11. This is true. Question 12. This is false. The first people who celebrated Thanksgiving were called pilgrims. Question 13. The correct answer is letter B, pilgrim hat. Question 14. The correct answer is letter C, the person is carving the turkey. Question 15. The correct answer is letter A, cornucopia. Hey English Go-Getter, you finished the quiz! And how did you do? Did you get all 15? Share your score in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching English Go-Getter, and I'll see you in the next video.